Friends, my name is Chandan. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwar Engineering College. Today's topic is PCM with line code. Introduction to PCM. Pulse code modulation is a digital representation of analog signals. It is a fundamental technique used in various communication systems, including digital audio, telephony, and video. PCM involves sampling the analog signal, quantizing the samples, and encoding them into digital binary follows. Pulse code modulation basics: sampling, quantization, and encoding. Sampling: the analog signal is sampled at regular intervals, capturing the amplitude at each simple sample point. Quantization: the sample values are rounded to the nearest discrete level or quantization level within a fixed range. Encoding: the quantized sample values are then binary digits which is transmits digitally. Sampling and quantization. Sampling is a process of capturing the amplitude of analog signals at a discrete time intervals. The sampling rate determines the number of samples taken per second. Quantization. Quantization is a process of rounding the sample values to nearest discrete level or quantization level. The number of quantization levels determines the resolution and dynamic range of digital signal. Sampling theorem. The Nyquist Shenson sampling theorem states that the sampling rate must be at least twice the highest frequency component of the analog signal to avoid a aliasing. Binary encoding. The binary representation, the quantized sample values of encoding into the binary format where each sample is represented by the sequence of bytes. Bit depth. The number of bits used to represent each sample is known as a bit depth. The higher bit depth provides a wider dynamic range and better sound quality. Conversion of analog. The binary encoded sample caused converted to analog signal and digital to the analog converter. Non-return to zero Non-return to zero NRZ line code. Constant voltage. In the NRZ line code, the constant positive voltage represents a binary 1 and constant negative voltage represents a binary 0. No transition. The signal does not return to neutral state between a consecutive bits, leading to a lack of transitions. Limitations. NRZ has a limitations in the terms the clock recovery and error detection, which lead to development of other line coding schemes. Multi-level line codes. Amplitude level multi-level line codes are used to multiple voltage levels to represent multiple bits per symbol, improving bandwidth efficiency. Synchronization. Multi-level codes have a better clock recovery capabilities due to increase in number of voltage transitions. Error detection. Multi-level codes provide enhanced error detection and correction capabilities compared to binary line codes. Advantages and disadvantages of line codes. Advantages and disadvantages. Improved bandwidth efficiency. Now disadvantage: increased complexity and cost. Enhanced clock recovery and synchronization. More sensitive to noise interference. Better error detection and correction. Require more complex transmitter and receiver circuits. Applications and use cases of PCM with line codes. digital audio, telephony, data communication, and video transmission. Digital audio PCM with the line coding is the foundation for digital audio, enabling the high quality music and speech transmission various formats such as CD, DVD, and digital radio. Telephony: PCM with line codes are used in the traditional telephone networks to transmit voice signals digitally, ensuring the reliable and clear communication. Data communication: line codes are essential for transmitting digital data over communication channels such as Ethernet, HDMI, and USB, enabling the transformer of various types of digital information. Video transmission: PCM with a line coding is used to digital video systems, allowing the transmission of highly quality, low lateral, and signal over communication networks. Thank you for watching my video.